this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Is your garage a mess? Well, today we're going to be installing this adjustable ceiling rack by Muscle Rack. But we're not going to hang around wasting time. We're going to get to it. The adjustable ceiling storage rack by Muscle Rack comes with everything that you need to install it. The ceiling angle brackets, the upper and lower arms, the side and front beams, the cross beam and cross supports, and the wire deck, as well as all the nuts and bolts that you'll need. The first step is to use a locator to find two studs. After locating your studs, hold the ceiling bracket up to the ceiling. Mark the outermost holes, then we'll pre-drill and attach with light bolts. We'll place the second bracket on the ceiling, 48 inches on center from the first bracket, making sure that they're perfectly parallel on the same stud. We'll attach the next two brackets on a parallel stud, 96 inches from the first two brackets. Next, we'll attach the upper and lower arms. Slide the slightly smaller lower arm into the upper arm and make sure that the holes are aligned at the desired height. Next, we'll put a bolt and washer through the top hole and a second bolt and washer through the bottom hole, staggered to the opposite side. We'll finish on the inside of the arms with two washers and two nuts. Make sure that they're finger tight. Finally, we'll tighten everything using a wrench and a socket, 7/16. We'll repeat this step for all four legs. Next, we'll attach the arm to the ceiling bracket using the bolt, washers, and nut. We'll leave them finger tight for now and do all three of the remaining legs. Next, we'll assemble the front and rear beams. This is done by placing the smaller into the larger beam, lining the holes, and then we'll place bolts through the outside 4 holes. Next, with a bolt and washer on each end of the side beam, I'll hang from the upright arms. Then, with bolts, washers, and nuts, I'll secure everything together. We'll leave everything finger tight for now, then repeat the process on the other side. Next, we'll attach the front and rear beams by aligning the tabs and allowing it to slip in the slot. Then we'll tap it in place with a mallet and finish attaching using the bolt, washer, and nut. Repeat this on each side of the beam and on the back. Finally, we're ready to attach the center support. Slide it into place and secure with the last of the bolts, washers, and nuts. Now we're ready to tighten all of the bolts, washers, and nuts for the entire assembly. Next, we'll install the cross supports by inserting the rivets into the triangles on the beams. Finally, we're ready to place the wire decking. As you can see, installing a ceiling rack can free up a lot of room in your garage. Look at all that floor space. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Get To It.